Okay, Nicole, here's what the gutter looks like here. And we'll get this all here before. Right here on this side, you can see you have some moss and stuff out here too. It looks like it was treated, so it's pretty much, most of it's dead. I could probably use being washed off. Some of it looks like some at the very tip down there. If I zoom in, that some of it might be alive right there. But yeah, this can be cleaned off if you like to have that done. So we're gonna go ahead and get these gutters hit for you. And then, looks like the same over there. Let's go ahead. So if you look right here, you look closely down at it. I don't know if you can make out what I see. I don't know if it looks as, but yeah, there's a lot of moss right here that goes all the way down, all the way up to the top here. We're gonna make our way back here, see what we have back here. More than likely, it's probably the same thing over here with this. Oh yeah, we have gutters. Oh man, a lot of gutters. Gutters all the way around. Let's see what our gutters look like back here. Step over the ridge cap always. That one, not too much stuff in there. We'll still get it all rinsed out. Let's take a look back here. Watching our step, being very careful. And come down into the gutter. See what we have. Not too much stuff, but you definitely have debris. You can tell it hadn't been cleaned in a while, so we'll get all these taken care of as well. We'll get all the gutters cleaned. Let's go around to the side over here. Watching our steps and be careful how we walk. See what we got right here. A lot of dried up debris and leaves in there as well, all the way down. So usually what we would do is think about blowing them out. But in this sense, for this one right here, not very much in there. There's a couple right there in the end, a little bit in the end right there. But what we want to do on this one, because it has the debris and mud in there, we don't want to wet it because then it become all muddy. We want to get it while it's dry. And we have some over here in the front as well. Let's take a look. Got all of our leaves and stuff right up here. Right, leaves right here. And we have over here. I'm gonna step over that double reeds couch here. This has a little bit of algae and a little bit of lichen on the roof right here. So let's step over this and take a look inside these gutters here. Anyway, this gutter goes all the way around. So you can see this leaves. Of course, we're gonna respect leaves all right here because the tree is over it. So anyhow, that's our scope of work that we need to do. We're gonna start with, again, the dryer vent. We already checked the outlet. Made sure that the air is blowing through, and it seems to be blowing. It's not super, you can't feel like a lot of pressure, but it's definitely blowing through, and it feels warm like it should. In our visual inspection inside of there, it looks pretty clean. There's no obstructions or anything. So we're gonna make our way down now.